In this video, we'll implement post method to insert data into a table. Let's start with department controller. Public string. The return type will be string. Method name will be post. Here we'll use department class. Then object name department. Here we'll use try catch block. Return the message will be inserted successfully. In catch block failed to insert. Okay, now I'm going to copy this same code from get method and pasting in try block. Here instead of this select query, here we have to write insert query. We will write here itself. Insert into dbo.department values single quote, then double quote, then plus here dep.department name. No need to pass department ID because it's an identity column. It will auto increment by 1. Here we'll put at symbol. Okay, that's it. Okay, now let's execute this select statement from department table. Here we have two records, department physics and chemistry. Okay, now run this app. We'll test in Postman. Here change the get method to post. Controller name will be same. Then go to body, choose raw and type will be JSON format. Here we'll pass the department ID as null. Second column department name max. Okay, now click on send. Inserted successfully. Okay, go back to SQL Server. Let's execute this query again. Okay, department max data is inserted successfully. Okay, now let's implement this post method in student controller. Okay, just copy this method from here and pasting in student controller. Here change the model name student. Insert into table name student. Values will be student name okay, just copy this and pasting below that. Second further name, third department. Now That's it. Student name, father name, department, student ID, it's identity column. Okay, okay, save this, run this app. Okay, now we'll test in student controller. Change the method to post, then choose body, then choose raw, then format will be JSON. Inside this, student ID null, comma, student name within double quote Raja, comma, father name Raju, then department Max, student ID name, father name, department. Okay, now click send to see the response. Inserted successfully. Now let's test in SQL Server. Okay, now we have the third record. Okay guys, in our next video we'll implement put method.